What's up guys, EC back with a brand new video, and I just picked up this iPhone 6 Plus for only 10 bucks, and the only problem is it's just a busted LCD, and I could just easily fix that. It's only about 15 to 25 bucks, and I'll have a fully working 6 Plus. It's a little bit dirty on the back. It was FMI on, but since she gave me her Gmail and password, I can just easily log in and disable the phone, which I did do, and now it's FMI off on iPhone 6 Plus. So I just need to get a new screen. iPhone 6 Plus screen, and all the parts are very organized. Eventually I will get an iPhone mat to organize the screws, but this is what I'm working with right now. And then I'm going to order a iPhone 6 screen that's going to take about 2 to 3 days depending on which seller I get it from and where it's coming from. So I'll see you guys in a couple of days, and yeah. Finally restored the 6 Plus, and now it's fully working. When I first, I didn't have to go restore it through iTunes. The lady gave me the passcode for the phone, and I just restored it through the phone. And it's on 11. Let me show you guys real quick. It's on 11.0 real quick. As you guys can see, 11.0, 16 gigabyte. And I thought it was on iOS 10, but it's okay. It's 11.0. I'm just glad it's not like on 11.4, because that's when it gets really buggy on the 6 Plus. So I'm really happy about this. Only got it for 10 bucks. I paid about 20-ish, let's say $20 for the LCD, so $30. But in general, I got this for only 10 bucks. And I added a case I had, and that little ring thing you put your finger on. And yeah, it's a fully working 6 Plus, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you guys like these type of videos, these restoration videos. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.